Do it tomorrow.
False alarm, we'll do it tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, actually, we'll change that
Schools,
one.
yeah. Birds
flying around going in everywhere.
Their jobs in there.
Oh no, they've got music going. It's the final countdown.
Yeah, she's recording that for school. You both are. You both singing.
I believe man.
They shut up with that DVD.
The final countdown now, shut up.
Alright, let's go home, false alarm. Where are you gonna go?
Who's pressing the button? The guy that we spoke to on Friday. Oh.
Ready, Grace?
That was just the warning, bang on it,
That
for
was
the
the
bed.
warning one he said for the bed.
Yeah. That was just a scary.
Look at all the beds coming out.
That sounded like gunshots.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
They're all going back into it.
You ready, Jack? You ready?
Whoa! That was great. Woo!
Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome.
That smoke's coming a bit closer.